So the question is, can we be busy but healthy? Can we have a really full life, a busy career, thriving family life, home life, social media, and be slim, healthy, energized, full of vitality without any niggling health issues? Yes, we can. My name's Laura Rimmer and I'm a natural health nutritionist, author, speaker and health coach. And I'm holding a free live masterclass on how to be busy but healthy this week. So register your place by clicking the link below. Now, I've really made it my life's mission to find out how we can eat healthily, how we can get the most out of our time and our efforts when it comes to your health and energy and vitality, and to be able to lose weight effortlessly. And I've really found some key things that are going to give you the most out of your life and health. So do join me on this live webinar called Busy But Healthy, how to thrive with your health and diet and lose the excess weight and feel energized and vibrant, even when the pressure's on, even when sometimes we're stressed, and even when time is scarce. So I look forward to seeing you on the webinar. As I say, places are limited, so click the link and register your place now, and I'll look forward to speaking to you on the live masterclass.